Today I'm going to show you how to paint this sailboat in the ocean, and I will show you how to use masking fluid. If you have any suggestions for the future videos, please include them in the comment. I will put them on my to-do list. The bottom over here about 2/3. Join us on Patreon to watch the full version of this lesson. Like that. That's good. So I'm going to use this calligraphy brush to do the masking. Just a regular soap bar. It's just wet the brush a bit. Okay. So make sure that the soap get inside the whole brush. Can you see that? That's good. This is the masking fluid I'm using. This probably good enough. So I'm going to start from here. Take enough and start masking. Here we go. Making sure it's thick enough. Sometimes we pay too much attention to the edge, but forget in the middle of the area missing. Okay, that's fine. I immediately wash the brush. Okay, pretty good. Back to the original shape. Now I'm going to paint from the sky. Use a little red, so it feels a little bit more like a gray color. That's good. Right here, that's good. Now I'm going to have this too. Have the same color. So then I'm going to use just the blue color. Now I'm going to put that right here in the middle. All the way consistent, left to the right. All the way coming down to the water. Have a little bit red with the blue color. Okay. You see the brush stroke there in the masking. Looks very good, very helpful. Let's wait. Now I'm going to use this natural rubber pickup. It have a little curve, like looking at that, a little bend there a little bit. So you want to use side like that. It's a lot easier. You see that? It's very easy too. And then after you have enough, you can just take it out. The brush stroke texture is up here. That we're gonna work with what we have. Take a little bit more water. With that, I'm gonna start from here like that. Pretty good. Let me zoom in over here so you can see a little bit better. Now I'm gonna have a little bit yellow and maybe a little bit more red. You see that? This color. Right, that's good. I'm going to take a little water, spread that over. And this side, see a little bit more like a translucent feeling. Okay, that's good. The yellow, red, and plus a little bit blue. I'm going to have that over here in a bit. I'm going to come onto this side, just a little bit more bluish color, a little bit shadow. Take a look over here. That's good. And from here all the way, there's a shape over here coming all the way over here. Is that pretty fun? And on top over here, we're going to have some of the light shape. Keep it on the top over here, but the bottom over here, just a little, just very like a transparent. Even warmer, just get a little bit even more red. That's just good. Now I'm going to draw the slime. You see that? You see that? That's good. You see how the shape coming down. That's the shape over here. You can see also the top a little bit more blue, and the bottom have a little bit more brownish color. Here we go. and all the way down over here. Looks nice. That's beautiful shadow. Like that. Holding the brush. Sometimes you also need to hold your breath. Okay. Okay, we're gonna do that a little bit shape here. Like that. All the way down. That's good. Right here. Look at that. That shape in the middle of this. That's good. That's just good. Red shade blue color. That's good. Darker than that, use the red and the blue color, and then you look a lot darker. Here you go, like that, and let it blend together. Okay, a little bit darker. One brush stroke. All right, now I'm going to take a look over here. I'm going to start from one shape at a time. So right here, like that. Now I'm going to have a little bit water, just a little bit tiny water, make it a little bit lighter, and also easier to move the brush stroke. Okay, like that. And here you go, like this. And you see that? Just use the brush stroke. That a little bit solid shape at the footer is going to look like a bed and a little bit open. So one shape, right? This is good. Now I'm going to continue using the same color. Now you look over here. These two shapes are actually kind of close together. Okay, here you go, like that. You see that? That's nice. You see how the water smooth. This side is just the shadow. It's easier. You see that? Like just like suggestions. Bigger and some a little bit smaller. Okay, now take a look at inside the water over here. We see a little bit brownish gray color. That is the sail. That's the color reflected down over here. So we're going to see that right here, like this. So press it down and leave a little shape. Okay, a little big shape like that. That's good. And coming over here too. A little bit water, unless you want more texture, more dry texture. Otherwise, just use the water. A little bit darker over here. And then this also coming in a little bit more. Okay, and here you go. I'm going to draw the line over here, right here. Now I'm going to draw this line. A little bit greenish color. Shadow side of this. See that? Cool. And then take a look. Maybe a little bit tiny more blue. It looks like a shadow. Okay, here we go. And let's get the shape over here. And then catch the shadow of the net. I'm going to mix enough color. If you want to make the line a little bit more crisp, you don't want to use too much water. Hold your breath. And from here all the way here. Perfect. There's a lot of line coming down like this. Not the stair. What do you call those? Like this. Look through it. I'm going to do it all the way. Beautiful. Okay. Here we go. Some straight line. All right. I think that's pretty good. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe now and tell your friends about this video. Thank you for your support.